Take out the range hood out of the box and put it on the carton or other clean object. Take out the sealing gasket of the vent cover and put it on the air outlet smoothly in the right location. Take out the fan cover and put it on the sealing gasket. Make sure screw holes match 1 by 1. Tight up 8 screws and 4 by 18 into the screw holes with a screwdriver. When there is a cabinet door, as the video shows, it should be 3.5 centimeters between the mounting bracket outside and the door. When there is no cabinet, it should be 755 millimeters between the mounting bracket outside and the surface of the stove. After confirming the installation height, we'll know the location of mounting bracket. Use a marking pen to mark the location of 4 punching holes. Use the percussion drilling with 10 mm diameter to strike a 70 mm deep round hole and bury the expansion pipe. Fix the mounting bracket with wooden screws. If the air outlet in the wall is smaller than the diameter of air outlet, it needs to connect with a connector of 15 cm diameter. Then the connector should be expanded to outside without a hitch. After taking away the outer cover and decorated duct cover of the draught fan, the whole machine should be hung stably on the pot hook and the range hood should be located in the center. After making sure the machine are hung well, fix the safety block. Prevent the range hood accidentally being uplifted and falling down. Connect the aluminum pipe to the vent cover and fix the 2 sides with a screw spike ST 3.9 by 9.5 and seal aluminum tape. Install the outer cover and fix it with 4 screws.